What's up with the what's ups? Today on this episode of Mayhem and Motorcycles, I've got an ironhead that I'm going to go ahead and start disassembling and getting ready for something else. So, if y'all have been keeping up with the channel, y'all know I picked up an ironhead for 800 bucks. So, the story on that is, I didn't have a title and it didn't run. So, it's been maybe about 7-8 months since I made the purchase. I did actually get it running 2 days after I bought it, but I didn't get it righted around anything. The clutches weren't engaging, so I'm guessing that they are just sticky and stuck together. So the plan today, I'm going to go ahead and pull the power plant out of the frame, pull the front end off, the wheels, basically get everything pulled out. But before we dive into tearing this sucker apart, time to speak with Samson. Uh-oh. Who is this? Special delivery? What's up?
Dreams coming true, brother.
What's going on, man? Dude. Man, this thing is sweet. Think of all the activities. Hey, hey!
I came with gifts. Merry Christmas, brother.
Oh, yeah. I want one bad.
That's the one, bro. And that's because that's just the medium roof, you know? It's not even the...
Can you stand all the way up in it?
Yeah.
Dang.
The sissy board and everything's going to be just fine in
Holy
there.
crap. Sweet! So, look what Isaac brought for us for the ironhead build. Bow, 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 bow. The Love Shack.
The smash pad. The smash pad. You ever heard of the smash pad? The smash pad.
The smash pad and down in Pound Town. Pound Town. Pound Town.
Have you come to a lot of town? Yeah, you've been riding a lot. Right? You've been able to ride a lot.
More of the jerk and the gherkin.
Oh, shit.
Mmm.
It's called Dino Juice.
It smells
Straight
like
from-
dino juice.
Straight from,
Right near that bitch, boy.
straight from the damn,
Netherlands.
No. From the prehistoric, they found the prehistoric seed.
Anyway.
Whoa! Alright.
You want something to drink? I'm gonna get
Yeah.
quickly.
Right, that's what I'm saying. So, my truck, I told the last, you know,
Well, my man Daniel just stopped by and dropped a contribution for the build as well. Dang, Dan! Woo! Looky, looky. Looky, looky. So, look at that. Got us a new invader. Hardtail ironhead frame. And the new guy. Well, as it's ready to load up his bike, so we're gonna get ready to trudge through this flood and load up the sporty chop. I know. Oh. Alright. Oh. Oh. You got it, brother? Uh-huh. Okay. Beautimus, beautimus. Dang, look at that.
Look at that's what I like. I'm that short, bro. I'm that short. Perfect.
And no van can go without pack out. That's right, that's right. My homie Isaac is getting a pack out, stack out from yours truly.
They have those magnetic, all those.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
I had them in my last van, but I left everything in my last van. I was so pissed. I was like, take it then.
Right.
And take it with all the bullshit in there.
Right. Take it all. Take it all. Don't.
I don't even care. Don't look at me.
Right. Don't play.
I'm crying a little bit over here.
Right. Don't look at me, little puppet.
You're not supposed to see me cry. Oh shit! Right.
You're right.
They're like, sir, I'm sorry. Did you get dirt in your eye? Yes. Damn it.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Bro.
You got it.
Oh, hold on. Oh.
Okay, you got it. You're there. All you. You just cut it or what?
Yeah.
The rubber's stuck on the. Okay, you're good. You're clear. You're clear. Might as well, Craig. We're here. Well, Craig. So this is gonna be way easier because it's the top. Okay.
Yep, there you go. You're
Come
in.
my way.
Yeah, just slide it. And you're almost off. Wait. Oh, what's the frame? Go back on the jack. The frame's about to come off towards you, Isaac.
Oh shit. Okay.
So we're almost up the way.
Yeah,
Look,
about
look.
4 inches forward. You're good.
It just. You see this right here? We just need to come in. If you get. Yep. There you go. And I'll pull it. Oh no. You got it? If you can just kind of shift it forward and I'll pull it my way.
Yep,
There
that's
it
it.
is.
You're there.
There it
You're
is.
there. Right there down. Yep, you're there 100% back here. I can't get no satisfaction. It was gonna be so satisfying when we had it in. I was like, ah.
So I'm guessing this frame is for an Evo Sportster, because once we had the ironhead in here, we had about this much gap before it started moving away from here, and then from here the motor actually was about this thin, and the side would had almost an inch of space on both sides before being able to bolt in. So it looks like we're just going to continue hoarding parts.
Yeah, I knew you were.
Even though things didn't work out with the ironhead, still got to see the homies. Woo woo!
Hell yeah.
Brown chicken, brown cows.
We love the brown cows.
Look at AJ making this work for no reason.
I'm gonna clean up this big old mess that I got going on and see Isaac out to his car, and then we'll see you guys on the flip side. Hey Isaac, that's deep. Like and subscribe.
Subscribe and like. Something like that.